Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the very delicious and also traditional recipe that is restaurant style homemade Shahi chicken tehari. So please try to follow this recipe from the beginning to the end, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and also let me know your opinion through the comment section. And also, if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's right into the video. Here I'm taking two medium size of baby chicken, that is 1.5 kg. I just clean it properly and soaked from the extra water. After that, here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, 250 gram of yogurt, half cup of almond slice, green raisin, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and bay leaves, 8 to 10 pieces of each. 8 to 10 pieces of green chili. So here I already start to frying the onion. Here I already take 250 gram of onion which I just chopped, and I start to fry in lower heat of temperature within 250 ml of sunflower oil. After that, I am taking out half of the fried onion. So this half of the fried onion I will use rest of the cooking procedure. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic and 2 tablespoons of ginger paste altogether. After that, I'm going to add rest of the dry ingredients. Then mix it properly within low heat of temperature. After that, I'm going to add cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and bay leaves, 8 to 10 pieces of each or according to your taste. Then I'm going to add 250 gram of cream yogurt. Then mix all the ingredients properly within low heat of temperature. After that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking salt. Then I'm going to add all the chickens within my gravy. Then I will add half of the green chili. And few pieces of green raisin. Then mix all the ingredients properly within low heat of temperature. Still, I didn't add any extra water. So I will cook this chicken for near about 15 minutes Now I take out the lid, and this is the look of the chicken after 15 minutes. Already the chicken is almost cooked with its own water. I didn't add any extra water yet. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Then add rest of the green chili. Now I'm going to add almond slice. Then mix properly together. Then I will cover the lid. So after 10 minutes I take out the chicken from the gravy. Then I add here 1 kg of rice, which is equivalent to the 3 cup of this. Then I'm going to mix the clean rice within this gravy of the chicken. Right now I didn't add any extra water. I need to fry this rice within this gravy within lower heat of temperature. So after 10 minutes of frying of the rice, this is the look. Now I'm going to add 8 to 10 pieces of green raisin. I also add 2 liters of water. I mean 6 cups of water. Because I already add here 1 kilo of rice, so just keep in mind that when we need to add the water, we need to make it double in amount. In 1 kg of rice, I add 2 kg of water. So after 15 minutes, this is the look of my rice. It's now cooked properly. Then I'm going to add the cooked chicken within this rice. Then cover the chicken with the rice. Now I'm going to add rest of the fried onion, which I did separate previously. Then cover the lid to cook it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is the look of my biriyani. It's a chicken, Shahi chicken tehari. So now I'm going to add few almond slice and the green raisin on top of my this chicken tehari. After that, I'm going to add some fried onion, that is bereshta. So this is the final look of my Shahi chicken tehari. So please try to make this recipe at home, and if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.